So we're gonna do yoga and stretching. There's the chair, there's the big chair. We got flags behind me today, and the breeze is beautiful under this tree. So we're just gonna do it right in the grass. And I got my yoga pants on. I didn't want to waste my day today. So let's get started. Is there somebody? What I heard. I'm not gonna do too much today because I'm gonna do different things each time. I'll hold my stand in one leg for a minute. Try to get my balance. I don't know, you guys can count how long I've been doing this. I hold my leg with one arm. Oh, there's ants on me already. Big mop of hair. My legs always need a workout. It stretches your hamstrings. Trying to get more stable and more flexible. If that's what you're wanting to do, is get more stable and flexible and strengthen your muscles. That's what I'm doing. Slow and surely, one step at a time, baby steps. Oh, it's so nice to breathe. I don't want to lay down too much. There's ants here. I want to bring my knees up my chest. Stretch my neck. Oh, it's hot now. Let it stop soon. It's 31 degrees today. Yeah, swinging your arms does help loosen them up. It does help the sides too. There's a few exercises that I saw on YouTube I want to try, but I gotta write them down. I'm gonna surprise you guys with a different spot every time, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this little workout with me. And I'll upload the video too, me walking over here with the big chair and stuff. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys get out and get motivated too. So one last look at the big chair. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching.